Hey, hello everyone! My name is Freddy Farmill and I will be drawing all the starter Pokemon of Generation 1, including their evolutions. So today I'm gonna start with Bulbasaur, Ivysaur and Venusaur. I'm really excited because I love Pokemon. I don't care what anybody says, I know I'm a big man baby child. But yeah, let's do this!
Just wanna pick them out, and in the spring they'll bloom a new color with shades and hues that we've never seen before. Smoked it off, but now I'm here again. And if love is like a rose, then I'm still bleeding from every single thorn left in my heart. You said I'd forget. Oh, I just wish my garden would grow. And there's no water for the soil. We were meant to flourish into something I'd be proud of, a beauty from the ground up. You said I'd forget. You said I'd forget the promises that we both shared. I think of the sun in my eyes and the hole in my chest, from where you got away from me, from me. I just wish my garden would grow. And but there's no water for the soil. We were meant to flourish into something I'd be proud of, a beauty from the ground up, like a garden, like a garden.
Alright, here we are again, but this time with these guys. I always like to add these random splatters and scribbly lines in my watercolor paintings. I think it adds a lot of movement and playfulness to the entire picture. So yeah, let me know what you think in the comments down below. Well, first of all, I would like to thank the band of today, In Case We Crash. Really great band. I'll leave some links to their Spotify and Facebook in the description down below, so you can go check them out. Also, if you are in a band and you would like your music in one of my videos, just leave a message or a comment. And last but not least, I would like to thank all of you guys for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel, because we're going to draw all the other starters as well. So if you like this one, you probably are gonna like the other one as well. Yeah, so thank you again, and I hope to see you in the next video really soon. Bye bye.
I just wish my garden would grow.